How to keep chipmunks out of a garage. Keep chipmunks, the smallest members of the squirrel family, away from your property to prevent severe damage to cars, gardens and homes. These rodents often dig up bulbs in gardens and chew on electrical wiring in cars, while their burrowing activities can cause structural damage to sidewalks, foundations, retaining walls and concrete patios. Identify chipmunks by their reddish-brownish color with light and dark stripes on the sides of their faces, across their backs and on their tails. They grow between 4 and 7 inches and weigh between 1 and 5 ounces. Keep chipmunks out of your garage and away from your vehicles through simple exclusion and trapping techniques. Things you'll need: caulk, caulking gun, cat fur, urine-soaked cat litter, mothballs, liquid garlic, old towels, rat trap, vapor trap. Phone number for local conservation office. Caulk any holes and other potential chipmunk entranceways using a caulk gun. Keep your garage door shut, and use old towels to stuff the space between the door and the garage floor if necessary. Place cat fur and urine-soaked cat litter around high-traffic chipmunk areas in your garage. If you do not have cats yourself, ask friends or family with cats for fur and litter. Sprinkle mothballs around garage doors and windows to repel chipmunks. Spray liquid garlic around garage doors and windows as another environmentally safe method of repelling chipmunks. Check your local conservation office for information about trapping chipmunks. Many states have specific laws regarding non-game wildlife, and it is generally illegal to kill such animals, though trap and release may be permitted. Set a snap trap such as those used to kill rats in your garage area if trapping is allowed by your state. Place fruit and nuts in the trap as bait. Leave the trap open for 2 or 3 days so chipmunks become familiar with this new food source. Set the trap after 2 or 3 days to catch chipmunks.